All right, welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're gonna do a start tech. All right, sorry I'm doing it in this environment, but I'm moving things around right now, and I need this right now. So we're gonna do a little review on it. But first, we're gonna do an unboxing. It's a 4-port sharing switch USB. So we're gonna share a couple of things on the USB. That's what we want to do. We have a headset that we want to share between the PlayStation 5 and my PC, because I have to toggle from PlayStation to the system because I got to do Zoom calls, and then I got to play PlayStation 5. So 3.0, 5 gig per second. All right, transfer rate, not that bad. So we're gonna open it up real quick. This is a StarTech. They make great products. I'm a big fan of StarTech, to be honest with you. I've been using for years. I mean, a lot of wireless devices, HDMI switches. So you see 4 ports right here, the USB, 4 on the back, and this is USBs that you transfer. This is the actual connection you need right here. This is very important. This is the 5 volts right there. If you guys can see 5 volts connection, all right? They give you a transmitter. This is the button to switch from place to place. So if you have 2 systems, you switch. So headset's gonna switch from PlayStation to my PC. So I don't have to get up no more, just a push of a button. Bam. If I want to share other things, other functions, if I want a keyboard on the PlayStation, you can do that too. But one thing at a time, all right? So right now it tells you there's 4 connections that you can share, 4 different. So if you have 2 different video cameras and you want to share them and you only have 1 port left, or you want to toggle between cameras, you can do that too. Really simple. Awesome little device. I'm glad they made this, something like this, because it gives me an opportunity to switch my headset from the PC to the PlayStation 5, which was a big pain in the ass. I had a cable disconnected, connected, and now with a push of a button, bam. So we're gonna put this to the test, see how well it works, and see if it's even worth it, man. And they give you cables. Look at this. They give you all the cables needed. Look at this. Like I said, at 3.0, they're a little short. So you might want to substitute in, maybe purchase another one. And they sell them. They sell longer ones, but look at this. They're different connections, just to let you guys know. But this is gonna be. You just got to make sure you're together. And if you notice, they only give you 3. There's no 4th one like it's supposed to be, right? There's 1, 2, and 3. That's all. And I'm gonna review this because I don't think all 4 cables are included. Well, they're supposed to give you 4 cables. Fortunately, I only got 1, but I do have extra cables. Just be aware that this is what I got. I got 3 cables, all right? Unless there's one hidden here. Nope. No, 3 cables, but you know what? We only need 2 for the work we're gonna do. So not bad. I have all my connections ready. Another thing I just noticed that the 5 volts micro USB is not included in here. I didn't see it in the box at all. It came with 3 cables in this, so it might be on yours, so just be aware. I have plenty of cables. I'm not worried about it. I'm not going to return it for that, but they should do a check on the system. Make sure you got all 4 cables and the actual USB, micro USB. But this, you can use anything, and like I said, it's 5 volts. It means it's your block that your phone has. If it's 5 volts, you can plug it in there, or plug it in directly to your computer, your PC, right? Number 1, they're labeled number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. We're gonna number 1 connection, number 2, and that's it. These 2 are connected. We're gonna share headsets from PlayStation 5 to PC. All right, just to let you know, I don't need power to it, so because it's plugged into the computer, it's powering up. It doesn't need power. But what you're gonna have to do right now, I'm here, I'm actually on my headset's connected to this one, just 1 connection to a headset, but I have 2 of them connected. And right now it's set on number 2, which is the PC, which is right here. It's going to the PC. I know I got a little mess, but and number 1, it goes to up there. So in order to go back to number 1, you have to click 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and it goes back to number 1. So it's clicking matter. It doesn't pick up automatically what's unconnected. Like right now I'm on PC, it's connected to PC, but if the PlayStation comes on, I have to click 1, 2, and 3 to go back to PlayStation, just to let you guys know. So anything you're sharing, keyboard, mouse, and the only thing is that if you want to share keyboard and mouse and you have 2 different connections, you're gonna need a splitter here so you can connect both of them. into that same system, right? So just to let you know, this system only identifies one connection at a time. If you can see it, unless you're going to split it. You cannot do that on audio devices. It cannot share that stuff. That's not, the technology is not there yet, but this item is freaking awesome. I don't have to do any more disconnecting and connecting it. It's something that I like. You can use the headset for both systems now. If you guys like that, then not just this. We're looking at other devices you can connect. But if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. So here it is, guys. So right now I started with the headset on one USB, and I do have the button here, if you guys can see it, and I have a PlayStation 5 in here, and if you can see it, it doesn't detect it yet. All right, so I'm gonna go to output. There's nothing in there. It's only detected the HDMI, which means the connection directly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this button here. All right, I'm gonna switch the headset to, because it's USB, I'm gonna switch it to over the PlayStation. By a push-up button, it disappears from here, and look at this. It's gonna pick up automatically on this part right here. Okay, now it picked up right there, if you can see it on the PlayStation. And now I'm gonna go in here, and I hear it. Now if you're gonna stream it, like I said, go in here. I like to do that here. But if you microphone now, look at that microphone is showing up in there by push of a button, guys. So I'm gonna push it back to this system here, push the button. The USB headset is gonna change from this system to this system. So disconnect it, if you see this disconnection, and there, look at this, right there. So you can share headsets, you can share keyboards, you can share all sorts of things. This thing is great. So if you guys like what you guys are seeing, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.